StarTech.com's 25-pack serialized universal laptop locks provide a versatile security management and anti-theft solution for IT administrators managing multiple setups at offices, labs, or trade shows. They feature a universal 3-in-1 adjustable lock tip supporting K-slot, wedge, and Nano lock slots to offer convenience and greater compatibility for laptops, docking stations, and other office or lab equipment. Each lock has a unique preset 4-digit code linked to a serial number. IT administrators can scan the included QR code, providing the list for all 25 codes, making it easy to record serial numbers and lock combinations for streamlined security management. Our locks have a ball joint design, enabling 360-degree rotation and a 90-degree pivot of the lock head to help reduce strain and enhance usability. Spacers are included to prevent scuffing of the laptop and help improve fitting. The 2-meter cut-resistant steel cable provides durability, and our locks are pull-force tested up to 110 pounds. StarTech.com carries several lock accessories to help safeguard your equipment, including individual serialized combination locks and multi-packs of master key, key-to-like, and combination and key-to-like locks for large deployments. As the IT professional's choice since 1985, our 25-pack universal serialized laptop lock with QR code is backed by a 2-year warranty and has lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our 25-pack security locks through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.